Arrive in style with this 2014 Mazda 3. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear bench seat, integrated turn signal mirrors, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, AC, Bluetooth connection, and brake assist. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.